Okay, so if you're worried about this freeze that we're about to have here in Texas, mind you, it's only going to be about 2.5 days, but it is 2.5 days straight, then you're going to want to watch this video. So I'm going to show you what I've done at this vacant house that is going to really help reduce the potential of having any kind of freezes. So I've turned the water off outside, and I went through the house and I have turned on all the valves. Here in the kitchen, we've got 3 valves. As you can see, I've got 3 supply lines that all are going to be dripping into a bucket. There's that one there. For this bathroom, I've got the toilet. I've even got up underneath the sink. You can kind of see the bucket. I've got the tub open, and then I've got that open there. The last thing I gotta do is I gotta cut these copper pipes and put buckets underneath that. What this does is this allows the water to move if it does freeze. So obviously there's no pressure in the line, so as the water expands from freezing, it'll actually allow that water to go through even the supply lines and the valves. So if you have a vacant house that you're worried about the freeze, this is something that you can do. Now, if you're not in a vacant house, then obviously just steadily drip your faucets, especially faucets that are on exterior walls, and open up your cabinets. Make sure you keep the heat on in your house, and you'll be good to go. You'll have a great day.